आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, here is a question. A curved surface is shown in the figure. The portion BCD is free of friction. There are three spherical balls of identical radii and masses. Balls are released from rest one by one from A, which is at a slightly greater height than C. With the surface AB, ball first has large enough friction to cause rolling down without slipping, and ball 2 has a small friction and ball 3 has a negligible friction. First, part A, for which ball is total mechanical energy conserved. Part B, which balls can reach D. Part C, for ball which do not reach D, which of the balls can reach back A. So it has a three parts, so one by one we solve these three parts. So in the first part we will tell for which ball is total mechanical energy is conserved, right? And as ball first, we will talk about ball first. As ball first roll down AB without slipping, right? It rolls down AB without slipping because friction is large enough to cause only rotational motion. However, no energy is lost due to friction, and ball 3 has negligible friction. We know ball 3 has a negligible friction, so therefore total mechanical energy is conserved in case ball first and ball 3, right? Now a small friction in case of ball 2 involved some dissipation of energy, right? Small friction in case of ball second. There are small friction in the case of ball second. So there is a dissipation of energy. And now come to this part B, which balls can reach D, and only ball 3 alone can cross over C and reach D as it has negligible friction, we know. And ball first acquires some rotational energy, and ball second loses some energy overcoming friction, right? Now they cannot reach D, only ball 3 reach the D. Now come to the third. For ball which do not reach D, which of the balls can reach back A, right? So ball first and second turn back before reaching C. Ball second cannot reach back to A on account of frictional losses, right? And ball first cannot roll back to A because of kinetic energy, right? So there are the answers of three parts. I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।